This is my honest why you should buy it. A very great click-through rate, and yeah, he's gonna teach you everything about the click-through rate, about how to make the best. Woo! Hi guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna give you my honest review about the Tube Mastery course of MetPar. So I'm here to help you to decide if you should buy the course or not. With my results I get, and I have a lot to say about it, so stay till end of the video. You'll see some of my results and then you can decide if you want to buy it or not. And yeah, let's jump to my computer and see some things happening. So here we are guys, here we see some results of one of my channels, like a lot of impressions, a very great click-through rate, and yeah, he's gonna teach you everything about the click-through rate, about how to make the best thumbnails, and yeah, the catchy thumbnails, how you get some yeah, it's all about how you get the best thumbnails, to the best keyword research, and so on. So this is one of my channels, older channels, you see. So then we go to some newer ones. You see the click-through rate also very good, impressions, and yeah, YouTube search you see here. And here's my baby channel. I just want to show you some results so that it's working for me, and I think it will work for everybody. It's just a long-term game, you know. You can't make a new YouTube right now and think that you make tomorrow the fast money, you know. You get the link below to buy the course. So as you've seen, I did get some good results with it, with the course. Without this course I wouldn't get so far. This is my honest why you should buy it point: the Facebook private group. As soon as you buy the course, you get the MetPar's Tube Mastery private group. You can join to the group, and that's exactly where the game starts, because the people there are really active. MetPar does respond to mostly every comment, and that's a very great sign, guys. I mean, he is really actively answering to any question, so you are never alone, and that's the point where I think that's really great. I think you will enjoy this course very much, because it's a long course and it's very great structured step by step, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just listen to him step by step what he's teaching you, and you will get very great results. Believe me, you saw my results, and that's exactly what I got with his course. So in the link down below you can buy the course, and yeah, join our community too. Have a good time.